So after 2 days of hiking the southwest coastal path from Minehead to Porlock Weir and then on to Lynmouth, it was time to head back to Minehead to locate our car and go home. We went down to breakfast and our lovely hosts at the Lynn Valley Guest House surprised us with an Easter egg each. We had an enjoyable wander around Lynmouth and a chance to relax before catching the Exmoor coaster open top bus back to Minehead. This has to be the best and cheapest way to travel the coastline of the Exmoor National Park. And the views aren't bad either.
See our room in a minute.
Will we? Oh yeah, there's our place. This is the main high street of Minehead. And we're going to head down to the front. So we're going to find our car, we're going to drop off our rucksacks, we're going to head to the seafront of Minehead and walk over to Butlins. Back at the motor car. Let's dump our stuff and let's go for another walk. Here we are again, and over there is Butlins. So the beginning of the southwest coast is over there. The monument is just a few hundred feet in that direction. That's where we started 2 days ago. So we're going to take a stroll along Minehead front. We're going to head towards Butlins. next time you're here, come to Butlins. Welcome to the House of Fun. So, we've come back to the monument. Elaine, do you want to highlight what we've done so far?
Started in Minehead, stopped at Porlock Weir, ended in Lynmouth. 2 days worth. 22 miles, 21 miles. Because when we were in Lymouth it said 21 miles to Minehead. We think we've walked slightly more than that.
Okay.
But hey. So yeah, watch this space, we'll be back.